So I'm again on the top of the machine. I want to check how you deliver 24 volts from the power supply to the system, because we know that this voltage is lost during power loss, but we still don't know if the problem is on the 24 volt side or 230 side. So by quick tracing of the cables, the first plus 24 volts is delivered here. This is probably a fuse. Then from the fuse goes by this way, and goes to this board. And this is the connector plus 24 volts. So that's the board is powered. How the board is powered. The second wire of plus is going here. This is this wire, plus wire. Then it's delivered to the machine. But as you remember, when we test the power supply, we changed it to another type, which is a lab power supply, to another power source. So they were delivered, the power was from here, from the wall outlet. So even we had a power loss, our power supplies delivered the power, and that was quite strange. So now I will check a minus line if it's connected correctly. That's a bit a strange thing. Please take a look to this side. It's a minus. So I use that cable taking in, and yes, I'm more than sure that this is this one, which is moving, but on this is a bit nonsense, because this one is marked with plus, and I think it should be minus, because this is minus line. Let me check. That's deeper. I think this is just the wrong sign on the cable. The cable is right, but the sign is wrong. Let me check it. Okay, I think the cable were right, because this is minus side of the power supply, and this is the cable. So this connector has wrong display. I mean, the should display minus, not plus, but it looks like it's connected correctly. The second one goes here. Let me show where this is the minus, another minus, and it goes here. Yeah. So the DC 0 volt goes there. Yeah, so we see that on the machine there may be a problem with the correct numbers on the cable, because this is absolutely minus, not plus. So we need to check all the cables inside, because just maybe someone made something wrong on the cable. For example, this one is not marked at all. I don't know where it goes. Yeah, so we need to check a wiring for everything. Otherwise, this machine is dead forever.